Do you feel stuck in a job you hate but can't afford to leave? Imagine waking up, no longer tied to a 9 to 5, yet your bank account is growing. Sounds impossible? It's not. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to quit your job while still earning enough money to live the life you deserve. By the end of this video, you'll know the steps to escape the rat race and build sustainable income streams, so stick around. Let's start with the harsh truth. Staying in a job just for the paycheck might be costing you more than you realize. It's draining your energy, your creativity, and your potential to build wealth. Most people wait until they're burned out or financially desperate to make a change. That's when it's too late. Don't let that be you. In the next 2 minutes, I'll reveal a mindset shift that will completely change how you think about money and freedom. The first step to quitting your job is knowing your freedom number. This is the amount of money you need every month to cover your basic living expenses, rent, groceries, bills, and a little cushion for unexpected costs. Take a pen and paper or use a budgeting app. Write down everything you spend money on and calculate how much you need to survive without your paycheck. Got it? Great. What if I told you there's a way to replace that income with something more flexible, something that works for you instead of you working for it? Let's talk about it. You don't need to wait until you quit to start earning outside your job. Side hustles are your ticket to freedom. Here are a few to consider. Freelancing. Use your existing skills to offer services like graphic design, writing, or consulting. Online business. Sell digital products, start a blog, or create an e-commerce store. Investing. Learn how to make your money work for you through dividend stocks, rental properties, or peer-to-peer lending. But here's the catch. Don't just pick one. Diversifying your income streams is crucial to staying financially stable and confident after leaving your job. Before handing in your resignation letter, you need a safety net. Aim for at least 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses in an emergency fund. Why? Because starting your entrepreneurial journey might take longer than expected. Unexpected costs will pop up, and you'll need that cushion to keep you afloat. Now, here's something most people don't realize. There's a strategy to saving faster, and it has nothing to do with cutting out coffee. Stay with me for the details. One of the most powerful tools to maintain stability after quitting your job is automation. Automate your savings so you consistently build your fund. Set up automatic bill payments to avoid unnecessary fees. Use investment platforms that allow you to grow your wealth passively. Here's the twist. Once you automate your money, you free up mental space to focus entirely on building your new income streams. Now comes the million-dollar question, when do you quit? The answer is when you have at least one reliable income stream generating consistent money, your emergency fund is fully stocked, and you've created a clear plan for scaling your new ventures. But here's the secret to long-term success: a backup plan. A backup plan isn't about planning to fail, it's about being prepared for the unexpected. Here's how to build a rock-solid fallback strategy. Number 1. Start with a low-risk, high-reward side gig. Pick a side gig that brings quick, consistent income, like freelancing or offering a service-based skill. Number 2. Build a return-to-work safety fund. Set aside 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses, specifically in case you need to re-enter the workforce temporarily. Number 3. Maintain your professional network. Stay connected with former colleagues and mentors. These relationships could offer freelance work, referrals, or even a path back into the workforce if needed. Number 4. Upskill while transitioning. Learn in-demand skills like digital marketing or coding. These can help you generate more income or secure temporary work if your ventures take longer than expected. And number 5. Set a reevaluation time frame. Check your progress 3, 6, or 9 months after quitting. Reassess your income streams and adjust your strategy if necessary. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once you have this backup plan, you can take bigger risks with your ventures. Quitting your job and still making money isn't just a dream. It's a step-by-step process. The key is preparation. The more intentional you are with these steps, the smoother your transition will be. Remember, financial freedom isn't about luck. It's about action. Now it's your turn to take that first step toward the life you truly want. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more wealth building tips. I'll see you in the next one.